Hi guys, so it's me again, your ate nyo Jaja, no edit, no filter, just me. So for today's vlog, another vlog na naman about mga pangarap, pursuing your dreams and goals. So this vlog is about mga thoughts, experiences, and yung mga nararanasan ko araw-araw. So ayan, nabasa nyo naman yung title. So do your best. And if you're not best is not enough, still continue your dreams. Alright? So ayun nga, this day, naranasan ko 'yan and na-feel ko 'yan. So, I am working as a host, pero binibigay mo yung best mo, pero sa amo mo hindi yun the best. Pero kung sa tingin mo binigay mo yung best mo, sa lahat ng aspeto, sa lahat ng bagay, it's not a big loss. You're not a big loss. Kung hindi ka big loss for him, for sa boss niyo, it's okay. At least you know to yourself na binigay mo yung best mo sa lahat ng bagay. And ganun akong tao. I'm giving my best kapag may ginagawa ako. And kapag hindi ka na-appreciate, get away. Get away. Umalis ka. Go away. Okay? So, ang ginawa ko, nagpalipat na lang ako. Bakit? Kasi, kung hindi ka na-appreciate and mali lang yung na-appreciate sa'yo, then kapag umalis ka doon and may pumalit sa'yo, tingnan natin, for sure maiko-compare at maiko-compare nila kung ano yung ginagawa mo dun sa bagong pumalit sa'yo. At least you did your best and you did your part. One day, marirealize nila na, she's a big loss. O, 'di ba? Pero hindi ko naman yun iniisip. Basta gusto ko lang umalis kung hindi naman ako na-appreciate. At least, you did your best and continue to dream. Dream big, dream high, and huwag kang magpa-stress sa mga ganun tao. Kung di ka na-appreciate, well, it's their problem. It's not yours. At least you're doing your best to your job and hindi mo naman kasi masasabi sa kanila na mas may mataas ka pang pangarap bukod doon. And kapag ini-stress ka nila and binibigyan ka nila ng mga pasanin na nafi-feel nila na hindi ka enough, baby, you're enough. To the Lord, to Jesus Christ, you are enough, you are loved, and you are appreciated. Okay? And lagi mong tandaan, kung hindi ka na-appreciate, get out. Okay? And anong connect nito sa dreams? Kasi guys, lahat tayo may mga stepping stone, mga bagay na pagdadaanan bago natin mapuntahan yung dreams natin. And tsaka lang natin ma-appreciate, ay, napagdaanan ko yun, naging ganyan ako dati. And ngayon, may sarili na akong kumpanya. Dati naging host ako, ganyan-ganyan. Ngayon, meron na ako sariling ganito. Guys, continue your dreams. Nothing is impossible with God. Lagi ko sinasabi yan. Nasa process ka pa, on progress ka pa. Kaya huwag kang magmadali. Lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo may purpose to strengthens you, para palakasin ka, to mold you, ganyan si God. Okay? Hindi ka niya pwedeng idalhin doon sa bagay na hindi mo pa naman alam or hindi mo pa kaya. Okay? Just continue and kaya mo yan. Okay? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel kung bago ka pa lang, and comment down below kung nararanasan mo to. Bye! See you in my next vlog!